Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atunike. So I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this lovely amazing DIY loose box braid using expression braiding here. You can see what I'm doing now, just tying around my Brazilian wool on my rack, clothing rack. So this here we are going to be using expression Lagos braids. So there's 4 in a pack, so I use one pack to achieve this gorgeous box braid. So now we have to form the loop. It's very important for you to achieve a very neat loop. So you can see what I did from the beginning. I twist the roots. You can see, then I lay the two on each other. Then after that, I'm going to section the hair. I'll section it into 3. Then I'll start braiding tight first. Yes, it will be tight first. So when we get to the length we want to stop braiding tight, just a little, then you can see I release my hand. I lose my hand because this is a loose braid. It's so painful. I did not use color hair for this. If it was color hair I use, it's going to show very well, but because of it's a black hair I use, it didn't really show. But trust me, these braids are so beautiful, loose braids. So I release my hand to the hand. So when I get to the tip, I just do normal braiding. Sorry, my camera is kind of out of focus here, so I need to allow you guys to see very well. I lose my hand. We are achieving loose braids, not a tight braid, loose. So I lose my hand. I'm not tightening the braids. So guys, let's do this again. Form a very nice neat loop. You can see that is what I'm doing, so it will be very easier for you to crochet this on your hair. The loop is very important for you to achieve. Then section the hair into 3 sections. Do not lose the grip of that loop, or else you didn't form any loop if you lose the grip. So section the hair into 3, then start braiding tight braid first. Then when you get to the length you want to braid the tight braid to, you have to release your hand. So now you can see I'm already releasing my hand. It's no more tight like the beginning. I release my hand to form a very nice loose braid. So kindly please keep on enjoying. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved one. Please guys, like. Can you see the way I'm shouting? Please make sure you thumbs up for this video. I really appreciate that. And most importantly, please and please subscribe guys. Subscribe. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just trimming the excess off. So after we are done, I don't like how the mouth is just kind of straight. I had a little bit of coils towards the end. Then I dip it into the hot water. If you don't want to add coils to yours, fine, it's good, but I want to add coils to my. So then I unravel the coils, then trim a little bit off. Then when we are done doing that, always add sheen to add some shine to it. This is going to bring it back to life. So I had some sheen to add some shine. So this is the final look. I had some sheen to add some shine. So guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, I really tried my best for you to see this, how loose it is. So that is it, guys. That is it. And guys, please do not dip everything into the hot water. Please and please. See my next video. Stabilize always.